Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Kohl's credit card account. So let's get it started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Kohl's credit card, log in, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as credit.kohls.com. In my case, it's the first one. And here is where you provide your login credentials to log into your account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can reset it by tapping on this text that says forgot username or forgot password. If you don't have account, you can create one by tapping on register. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on the login button and you'll be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.